In today's video, I am going to teach you how to separate text and numbers into separate columns in Excel. This is a very useful Excel feature when your data is combined in one column and you want to split it into cleaner, more organized columns. In this example, we are working with a column that contains full names, and we want Excel to separate that text based on the spaces between each part of the name. Start by highlighting the column that contains the full names. Make sure you select the actual cells with the data you want to split. This tells Excel exactly which information you want to work with, and it helps avoid changing anything else on the worksheet by mistake. Once the column is selected, go to the Data tab at the top of the ribbon. The Data tab includes several tools for sorting, filtering, and cleaning up information, and the one we need here is called Text to Columns. Click the Text to Columns button. This opens a step-by-step setup window that will guide you through how Excel should split the contents of the selected cells. Since we want to separate the data based on a space between words, choose Delimited and then click Next. Delimited means Excel will split the contents wherever it finds a separator that you define. On the next screen, check the box for space. Make sure all the other delimiter options are unchecked so Excel only uses spaces as the split point. This is important because if another option is selected, your data may be divided in a way you did not intend. After that, click Next. Now you will choose the destination cell. This is where the separated data will appear. Select the cell where you want the first names to begin. Choosing the correct destination helps keep your worksheet organized and prevents Excel from placing the results over existing data. Once you have selected that destination, click Finish. Excel will now split the original entries into separate columns based on the spaces in each cell. This makes your data much easier to sort, filter, and work with. If you are preparing a list for reports, imports, or further cleanup, this tool can save a lot of time. That covers everything you need to know.